Welcome back. This week's video is going to be on the last rocky planet in our solar system, Mars. Mars is known as the red planet, and that is because of the rusty iron in the ground. Mars has a rocky, dusty surface and a thin atmosphere, mostly made of carbon dioxide. Mars' atmosphere is just not thick enough to trap the sun's heat, so Mars is very cold. Mars has an average temperature of negative 81 degrees Fahrenheit. If you were to stand on Mars, you would experience 62.5% less gravity. Mars and the Sun is just about 148 million miles from each other. It takes Mars 687 Earth days to completely orbit the Sun. So that means it would take you almost twice as long to become a year older than it does here on Earth. I don't really know about you, but I don't think I like having to wait any longer for my birthday. Mars is half the size of Earth, and like Earth, Mars has ice caps, volcanoes, seasons, and weather. Mars also almost has the same amount of hours per day as Earth. Earth has 24 hours per day, and Mars has 24 hours and 40 minutes. It would take you 7 months to get from Earth to Mars. Speaking of traveling from Earth to Mars, NASA has sent many spacecrafts to Mars over the years. The most recent is the Curiosity rover, which landed on Mars in 2012. Mars is a very popular spacecraft destination, with orbiters, flybys, and rovers. Rovers are robots that roll around taking pictures. As of April 21st, 2019, the Curiosity rover has been on Mars for 2,449 Earth days. NASA says that Mars is named after the Roman god of war, and that is because the reddish color of the planet reminded people of blood. Now, Mars has 2 small moons, and NASA states that they got their name from Greek mythology. The names are named after the horses who pulled the chariot of the Greeks' god of war, Ares. Their names were Deimos and Phobos. According to Wikipedia, Deimos represents terror and Phobos represents fear. As mentioned before, Mars has canyons and volcanoes. In fact, Mars is home to the largest volcano in the entire solar system. NASA says that the Olympus Mons volcano has a base as large as New Mexico and is 3 times larger than Mount Everest. It also has a huge canyon system too, called Valles Marineris. This canyon is 3,000 miles long and can stretch all the way from California to New York. It is 200 miles wide at some spots and is 4 miles deep. It is also 10 times larger than the Grand Canyon. You can also see Mars in its reddish-orange color sometimes in the night sky. Pretty cool, huh? Thanks for watching this video and learning about Mars with me. Now next week, I'm going to take a little break from my solar system videos and enjoy my spring break. But I'm going to be back in 2 weeks and post a special video for you. Take care and see you then. If you were to stand on Mars, you would appear 48 million... Why am I doing this? The most recent is the Barringer crater in Arizona.